take a look at Resurrection Remix, big thanks to GSAC, and I will show you how to turn your device into a Google Pixel device. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and if you have enjoyed the video, do not forget to follow my Instagram, which is here, and to subscribe to my channel. So here we are. As you can see, I'm running Android Nougat on my Galaxy S7. It's official beta release, and I would like to turn my device into Google Pixel. I mean, there are several Nougat ROMs, and they do have some bugs which I don't like, and they're a bit different than the stock Android. So we do have custom ROMs finally, but they do have some kind of bugs like Wi-Fi hotspot, fingerprint reader, dual SIM, and maybe more. So a lot of those things have been fixed or will be fixed in the January probably. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now we will install Resurrection Remix. It has completely Google Pixel UI, which I do really like and prefer, and we will see how it looks on Galaxy S7 when I install it. Now I will speed up the video so you don't need to watch installation process, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see when we boot up the ROM. So yeah, before we finish installing this, I would like to tell you that I found a way to install gaps. Those are AOKP gaps, I believe, and I will leave the link in description for everything for sure, and those are working without any kind of problems. I will tell you more about the Resurrection ROM and the UI of Google Pixel when we boot up the ROM. So here we are guys, finally. So we finished the installation process of the Resurrection Remix, and as you can see, it automatically chooses my language. So since I do live in Serbia, it will choose Serbian language. Anyways, I will choose the English so you will understand what I am typing here and what I am doing right now. So we will get a fresh start, and I will connect to my Wi-Fi. So anyways, I will go and skip this entire process because it's kind of boring. Alright guys, so here we are. As you can see, we do have Google Pixel Launcher ready. It's really great. I like how it works and how it looks. It's not laggy at all or whatever. So we do have Galaxy S7, which is pretty much the beast right now for the market. I mean, new models of the phone will come in short time. Anyways guys, so here we do have Google Pixel Launcher. As you can see, it's looking really great. It's not laggy at all. We do have almost everything working in this device and ROM. We will go to camera and let's see how it's working. It's not ready yet. I mean, it could take some pictures and I'm not sure for the images or whatever, but I saw on the forum that it will work after second reboot. So let's see. So as you can see, my phone needs quite a bit of time to get ready, and as you can see here, we do have lock screen like on the Google Pixel. I mean, everything is like on the Pixel, and that's what I do like, really. Like I said previously, I'm a big fan of pure Android. So as you can see, the app drawer is really easy accessible from the bottom of the screen, and as you can see, here is how the entire system looks. I just don't like that fingerprint is not working because I was using it quite often on my Galaxy S7 to lock some apps and lock the phone. So in this ROM, GPS and mic are fixed, and you can use microphone without any kind of problems, and the GPS is working though. Some of the things which are not working at all are Wi-Fi hotspot, fingerprints, dual SIM, and maybe there are more things which are not working, so we are here to test them out and to see if something more is missing. Camera is unstable, like you can see in the XD8 read, and let's see if it is working. As you can see after the second, but it's working with like a charm. We can't I'm not sure if there is any kind of autofocus or so, and yeah, there is autofocus, but we can't touch the focus or whatever. So you saw this on Lineage OS and we couldn't do that though there. That's pretty much it. We turned our Galaxy S7 to Google Pixel and we tried Resurrection Remix ROM. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and if you have enjoyed the video, do not forget to subscribe and to follow my Instagram, which is up here. That's pretty much it, and see you soon with new videos and reviews.